Akashi Naikude. Today we are going to start standard 5th subject grammar, English grammar. 5th lesson, it is simple present tense. In 4th lesson also we saw about the simple present tense, but that we saw about the positive statement, and this lesson we are going to learn negative statements. First we saw whatever we saw in the 4th lesson. In 4th lesson, in positive statement, what we saw, that how we use verb 1 plus yes, yeah, es. If s, ss, ch, x, o, that time we use there es. Neither we use yes. And formula it is subject plus verb 1 plus yes, yeah, es we use. For example, here given positive statement. What? Subject. What is the subject? He it is. He it is the singular. So I use there goes. Yes, yeah, es, goes. And after that to school. That is the positive statement. And in the 5th lesson we are going to learn about the negative statement. Next it is the plural. If it is the singular, we use there yes, yeah, es. And in the plural we don't use there yes, yeah, es. In the plural it is how we use the do not and does not. That we are going to use in the negative statement, do not and does not. In the plural we use do not, and as a singular we use does not. Plural, see, I, we, they, that we use there do not. And singular it is he, she, it, that time we use there does not. That is the formula it is. And yes, subject plus do, yeah, does not plus verb 1, that is the formula of the negative statement. Positive statement formula it is subject plus verb 1 plus yes, yeah, es. If the singular it is, we are using yes, yeah, es. If it is the plural, we don't use there yes, yeah, es. So we start there the exercise in the negative statement. First exercise it is fill in the blanks with do or does. They are only using the do or does. So he is here, that is the first singular, yeah, plural, see. If it is the singular, that you are using does not it is. And if it is the plural, that time you are using do not it is. Next, first example it is a gentleman ... not laugh at others. On fill in the blanks, see now, a gentleman, man it is. So he is the singular, only one person it is. So what we are using? That we are using does not. So use there does. So sentence is a gentleman does not laugh at others. Next example it is second, we ... not throw stones at birds. We it is the singular or plural? That is the plural it is. We, that is the plural. So what we use? Do not. What we use? Do not. So use there we do not throw stones at birds. Do you understand? You are using the negative statements in simple present tense as do not and does not. For the singular we use does not, and for the plural we use do not. So here first example, yeah, first exercise over here. Second, now see, rewrite the following in the negative. Here given the statements. This statement it is in the positive statements. So we are going to do this in the negative. So see here, the sun sets in the east. The sun sets in the east. Positive it is yes, yeah, es. The sun it is the singular it is. So subject take the sun. After the subject what we take? Do, yeah, does not. The sun it is the singular, only one sun it is, that is the singular it is. So what we use? Does not. Does not. After the verb 1, only verb 1. Remove there yes, yeah, es. So I remove here yes. So what I am taking here? Set in the east. Same sentence. So sentence is the sun sets in the east, and answer it is the sun, that is the subject, does not set in the east. So like this, second example also, naughty boys keep discipline. Naughty boys keep discipline. What is the subject? Naughty boys. naughty boys. Boys are it is. So these are the plural. So plural it is. So what we use? Do not. What we use? Do not. So naughty boys. So many boys are there. So it is the plural. So we use there do not. After the do not, what we use? The verb. What is the verb? Keep and discipline. Sentence say, naughty boys keep discipline. This is the positive statement. Negative it is, naughty boys do not keep discipline. Next it is the third question. It is the rewrite using the correct form of the verb in bracket. They are already given in the brackets that first you use in the positive statements and after that in the negative statement. See now, first Misha often, same it is sentence. After in the bracket it is first positive and after that is the negative. Positive means you are using yes, yeah, es. Misha it is the singular, so you are using yes, es. So walks to school. Full stop it is after she. Here given not go means it is the in the negative statements. In the negative statement what we use there? Do, ya, does, she it is. It is the singular. You can see here. Yes, she it is the singular. So use does not. She does not. Verb 1 what is? Verb 1 it is go. Go by bus. So statement say Misha often walk to school. She not go by bus. And answer it is Misha. Subject it is Misha often walk. That walks. That is a positive statement. Walks to school. Full stop. SH is she. She it is the singular. So I use there does not. Verb it is go by bus. Last also same it is. She learns her lessons every day. First make their positive after negative. She learns her lesson every day. What is subject it is? SH she. Positive already given, only make there the negative. SH she, that is the subject. After you are using do not here, does not it is, because SH she it is the singular. So you are using does not. Verb 1 learn her lessons every day. So statement say she learns her lesson every day, that is the positive, and negative it is she does not learn her lessons every day. So our fifth lesson here over. See now again one time positive statement that we learn in the fourth lesson. For the positive statement we use the formula subject plus verb 1 plus yes, yeah, es. Their positive already given, he goes to school. So in that for the plural we use I, we, they. These are the plurals, we use do not, and singular he, she, it. For that we use does not. So first question, see, a gentleman ... not laugh at others. Gentleman it is the singular, so I use here does not. Here the we it is the plural, so I use there do not throw stones at bird. Next it is the given the positive statement, you make their negative. The sun sets in the east. The sun, subject it is. The sun it is the singular, so we use there does not set in the east. Next it is naughty boys. Naughty boys are the plural it is, so I use there do not. Keep discipline. Next it is the given the statement that make first positive and after negative. Misha often walks. First positive walks, yes, yeah, yes, use there. Walks to school and full stop, SH she, and using here negative does not go by bus. Here given the positive statements and make negative now. SH she, that is the subject, learns, that SH she, so that is singular, I use there does not. Learn, verb 1, her lessons every day. So I hope You understand this? So solve page number 13, first, second and third question. Thank you.